Alright guys, good morning and welcome to your word study assignment. So for most of you, this will be your first activity for the day. So I am glad that you are here and that you are working hard to complete your work. So for word study this week, it's not going to be your typical word study activities that we've been doing this past week. You are going to find this activity on your Google Classroom and your teacher will put it there as an assignment, okay? It is going to be titled Week of 4-6-2020 Word Study Assignment ABC Order and Story Highlight. The reason why it says ABC Order and Story Highlight is because you have one activity for Monday and then you're going to use the same Google Doc to do your Wednesday activity. Okay, so this is for Monday and Wednesday. This will be in the same Google Doc. That way you guys don't have to open up so many different Google documents, okay? Now, there will not be an assignment for Friday because if we were in school, in the actual school building, Glen York Elementary, we would be off on Friday for Good Friday because Easter is this weekend. Yay for Easter, okay? So we're just going to have activities for Monday and for Wednesday. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to do the activities for Monday, okay? So for Monday, you're going to have an ABC order activity. Now, this is something that we do in class pretty regularly. We take a list of words and we put them in ABC order, okay? And when we put them in ABC order, what we do is we like to put them in order from which letter, okay, that the word starts with, which letter is closest to the beginning of the alphabet. We usually start with that word and we work our way to the word that begins with the letter closest to the end of the alphabet, okay? So, and I think what I'm going to do as well to help you guys is I'll put a little ABC chart up here so that you don't have to try to find one. After I finish this video, I'll go ahead and insert an ABC chart in there for you guys so that you can use it as a reference. All right, so these words are in a text box, okay? So once you figure out which word goes first, which one of these words, we've got know, said, use, place, and let, okay? That's know, not the know like, no, you cannot have another cookie out of the cookie jar. This is the know like, I know the answer to that math question. Okay, know, said, use, place, and let. Okay, so what you're going to do is once you figure out which one of these words is going to go first, which one is closest to the beginning of the alphabet, you're going to click on it and you're going to drag it up here into the box that it belongs in. Now, I think it's the first word, so I'm going to put it right there, okay? Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to pick the next word that you think goes after that. K-L, okay? And you're going to put it in the second box. And you're going to keep going until you fill all of the boxes up and you don't have any more words left, okay? These are the instructions for this activity for Monday. So now that I've shown you how to do it, I'm going to put a link in on the next slide and you will go ahead and you will complete your assignment for today, your Monday ABC Order Word Study assignment, okay? So your teacher will have this assignment uploaded to your Google Classroom and you will go to your Google Classroom and click on the form and complete it for Monday. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.